Hi everyone, today we are excited to talk about a project close to our hearts, the Agri Feed Pro. It all started when we noticed a significant problem in the agricultural landscape. On one hand, valuable green fodder was going to waste after cultivation, paddy, wheat, sugarcane. On the other hand, small-scale farmers were earning less compared to counterparts in other sectors.
Our survey revealed not just the problems but the intricate challenges faced by farmers in different regions. Crop residue management, fodder for animals, and water scarcity emerged as critical issues. Determined to make a change, we conceptualized Agri Feed Pro, a solution that transforms wasted green fodder into nutrient-rich silage, benefiting both farmers and the environment.
So, how does the Agri Feed Pro work? It is a semi-automatic machine that turns stubbles into fine pieces. First up, we have the chopper, the 6-inch PVC pipe and a powerful 7,000 RPM motor efficiently chop the stubbles into fine pieces. The addition of a mesh ensures the fodder stays in place during chopping, minimizing the waste.
Next, the mixer unit. Once the stubbles are chopped, the intelligent system checks humidity levels. If needed, a water sprinkler activates to ensure optimal moisture. Depending on the livestock type selected, the mixer adds jaggery and mineral mixtures for a nutritionally balanced blend. Now, the trapdoor unit. After the mixing is complete, a 3D printed tracking gear mechanism opens the trapdoor. It's like the grand finale, releasing the freshly mixed silage into a compostable bag.
Powering all this innovation is our solar unit. With a 40-watt solar panel, a 12-volt battery, and a solar charge controller, we ensure our Agri Feed Pro is not just efficient but also eco-friendly. We have a water container with a submersible pump that ensures consistent water supply to the sprinkler, canisters for jaggery and mineral mixtures, powered by 10 RPM motors, provide an automatic and steady addition during mixing. Making it all smart is our IoT unit with an Arduino Uno, humidity sensor, 8-pin relay, and a buck converter. We ensure our machine knows when to sprinkle water, when to mix, and when to open the trapdoor.
Using Onshape, a 3D designing software, we designed flanges for canisters, containers, and the 3D printed mechanism for a trapdoor. A reptile helped us slice those designs before 3D printing.
We tested the machine by chopping green fodder. While it worked well, some uneven chopping occurred. The mixer, aided by IoT and 3D design, efficiently produced solid silage. In the future, we aim to enhance the chopper for more consistent results and implement an automatic compression mechanism and airtight sealing, ensure better silage quality.
In conclusion, the Agri Feed Pro isn't just a project. It's a solution crafted to uplift small-scale farmers, reduce waste, and contribute to a sustainable agricultural ecosystem.